Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Pure, 58, huh? $900. I hate to chase this here. It's up like 680, 880, 200 points. Man, came up 200 points. You have to chase this here. Baby, baby. Give it to me. Got it. Okay. Micro. That was like 30 points, 50 points or something, 30 points. Only for contract, micro. Switch to a different account. Let's check it out. Switch to a different account. Okay, I'm back. I can go more. Yeah, I just broke that 800. Jack. Good morning, Jack. Yeah, so you guys can see micro is very powerful too. But the last couple of days I been trading micro instead of mini. I can make a case that why didn't I trade mini instead of micro, so I can score the $1,000 with that trade. But it is what it is. Stick with that micro for now and see how that goes. Like I said, micro can be very powerful as well. I can double down, like add another 4 micro contracts to the trade. But good morning, man. Good morning to all of you. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. How they making bank? Yeah, remember, I don't know if you was here earlier. I look at these here, I go 2, 4, 6, 8. Within 10 minutes, it pushed 200 points. I go, okay, let me see any weakness. See this candles here. It pushed all the way to 890. The other step in and push it back down. And I thought, okay, let me give it a try. Risking maybe 10, 15 points. It went in my directions. Look like trying to go back up that again. This time, so I have to be very careful to go short. It might go. I want to push through to 900 instead of stopping at 90. So I'm watching for that 900. I think they allow that. I think they do. But to be honest with you, Jack, I wouldn't do that. I would double down on your, your what's it called, losing trade. If I love to add it to my winning trade, but I hate to add it to losing trade. Yeah, I would rather get out, get back in. But that's my opinions. Do not DCA. It to the winner, not the loser. But they do allow that. Okay, look at went all the way to 70. See if we can stop at 70. Recheck it. See the next candles here. to 80. Okay. It's obvious, it's obvious to take a short right there, but nope. Be patient here. 50-second. See how that goes with these candles here. You might want to push it all the way to 900. Look pretty strong. 90, 900. We go into 900. $60.5. It was 80 would be a good short. Leave 800 hold. Yesterday was really strong, very strong resistance level. Now become our support. 800, 96, 800. Yep. 800. Look like we're gonna break Yeah, we're in the middle of this right now. So basically, I have to be super patient, wait for it to come to 800 and see how that goes. But yeah, it would be a good short right here, but it's still pretty risky. Very good support at 800 now, which is about 20 points from here. Yeah, like I said, I need to wait for it to break that 800 or come back and up there at 90 or 900. But I wouldn't touch it right now. Because I'm doing micro, and I need I can't 7 or 10 points is not going to cut it. So I need we go testing that 90 again. Wow. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go through.
Healing piano under soft textures. Designed for sleep, meditation, or deep rest.
Speaking of ECA, what do you guys think? That was crazy, huh? Yeah, remember we was looking at 800 yesterday. Very, very good support. That was why I did not go short. It looked very, very bearish, but I did not go short with this two red candles here. I have to have super patient because only 20 points away from 800 where that strong support is. It was very strong resistance level yesterday. I set out. I guess it's a payoff. Yeah, what do you think about that DCA? went up about 300 points from the low. Almost 300 points. 250 points. Okay, 950. I remember that it was really yeah, 950, our resistance level. Watch for that level, see if we can break up there, break out from here. Either way, 950. Waiting. Don't wait too long though. Don't wait too long. I do wait. I waited too long. I've caught 20 points. Yeah. 950 is our resistance level. Looking back, right there. The 16. It was yesterday? Yeah. 950. Yeah, that's right. Thought I remember. 950. I want to come back and retest that 950, 960 again. Can you do that? Meaning DCA? We can do it. Apex allows us to do that. They allow DCA. If that's the question you're asking me about. Man, it came down 50 points just like that. Well, I did not try. I have to see. I did not try. I don't know, when I trade micro, it's not showing. Yeah, I don't know. I just look at my portfolio, my P&L. Like, you guys can see that I took everything off from my chart, man. No indicator, no nothing, man. Just trade my levels. No VWAP, no EMA, no funny business. Too noisy. Just watch and trade the candlestick and trade my levels. I don't even put on my lines anymore. Yeah, I have to look at that. Disappear. Last couple of days I didn't see them anymore. Wow, it would be a good 50 points, huh? Yeah, and we got a good support at 80, 85 here. Oh, okay, let me see. Okay. Okay, I'll look at it. Thank you, Martin. But actually, I really like this. I don't want to see lines and stuff like your past orders and stuff or your past trade on the chat. I like the one that's clean like this. Yeah, look very nice, clean. But yeah, I'll look at it. Yep, but I'll look at it and see. It came up to 920. It pushed 30 points just like that. Not crazy, man. Came up here and dropped 30 points within like a couple seconds. 20. Wow, 50 points, man. This candle here, 50 points. That's not 900 again. Yep, we got really good support at 880. $900. Let's break that E75. It might go back down then, testing that 800 again. I'm watching for that. But again, if I'm wrong, I better get myself out. 10, 20 points, man. Just close my eye and push a button. Because it can go 50 points against me just like that. So I have to remember that. No funny business. Get the hell out if I'm wrong. Right now, I got my stop at 20 points. Hey, Crystal. Good morning. 900. Yep. So I'm not going to take any trade right now. See if it breaks that out. $26. We might want to test that day high again. It's very, very tough, man, to go long. Came up here a few times now, 27.5, and dropped 50 points. See if 27.5 hold. 30-second. Here we go, pushing 27.5 again. This is the four times now. It dropped 20 points, just like 25 points, just like that. Man, in and out quickly, man. Okay, now we know that I'm 27.5. Our resistance level up there. Down here, we're looking at 880. And then 900 in the middle of yeah. $27.5. Try 27.5 again. Come back to 900. One more time. Okay. $27.5. We go. We're breaking at 27.5 to 60. Not so fast. They say not so fast, man. Yeah, pretty tight right now. 27.5 and 900. Try this 27.5 again. Okay, 900. Come on. Come out so slow. It was very risky, but I cannot sit on my hands and wait for that trade to play out for me. Yeah. It was a very risky trade, that's for sure. Very risky. I know that. But I got out. I could have waited, but we don't know that. I don't know that. So. Yeah, but we got a really good support at 80. Yeah, with that that was take profit at 15 points. Yep, I don't know that. It would come to my take profit, but it is what it is, I guess. Might break that 80. Yep, 70, 75, 80. Too long. Too long, man. No, too long. One more try. Come on, go. Go! Okay, let me trail this thing here. Go! Okay, go! Got it. $300 with that trade. That's awesome. $242. You did? That was awesome. It was awesome, Martin. Good job, my friend. See, the first one, I got in. It's still slow. I got out with like $30-40 in the red. You know, took a hit on that. But but it looks that the trade's still working. So I get back in and go short again, second times. Awesome, Martin. Good job, my friend. It even go low. I don't know. Good job, Martin. Awesome. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry to hear that, my friend. Wow. Remember I said earlier said if it breaks that 80 or 75, they want to retest that 800. Exactly, man. It's going to go to 800. I have to remember that. I have to remember what I said. You know. But that's okay. It's Friday, right? I mean, I don't want to risk it. You know, just lock in profit, man. These are my funded account. Yeah, speaking of funded account, man, TradeDay, they email me say, oh yeah, we got all your paperwork, you approved, and all that stuff. But still, they have not activated my funded account yet. Hopefully by Monday, so I can trade my funded account with TradeDay. And wait, man, if we can catch like 50 points, 100 points with TradeDay, couple $1,000. No, what is that called? No, I don't know, man. Too early in the morning. I just cannot. It's no consistency. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. No consistency. You can go all in, make as much as you want. They don't care. Yeah, Crystal, I trade micro, 4 micro, and this is 2 minutes, 2-minute charge. I trade micro. Yeah, but you can see that micros can be very powerful too. But I think maybe eventually I'll go back to mini again. But for now, just stick with micro and see how that goes. You know, I can increase the micro from 4 contract to 5, 7, or 10, something like that. If I go with 10, then I go with 1 mini instead of 10 micro. Maybe 5. I'll go with 5 micro. Work with that. The reason I changed to micro because I want to give myself some more room to allow the trade to place out for me, because trading mini with 10-15 points is kind of tight. I would rather have 20 or 25 points stop loss, pause stop on that. Yeah, they are. And Andreas. Yeah, those are my funded account. Super conservative. Those are funded account. And you can see that with Apex, right? Right now I'm trading with Apex. If you can see Apex account starting at PA, and then Apex is performance account Apex. If the evaluations, you will see Apex. But yeah, those are my funded account. No, thank you, Crystal. Welcome, 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 Andrea. I say your name right. Okay, watch for 800 to break. You know what? Let me switch account. Yeah, I wish. I'm working on it, Crystal. Wow, did it break? Break that 800? Let me switch account, you guys. Let me switch account 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, we have really good support at 800. 150 points, man. Came down 150 points. Now came down to 80, 800, push it 40 points. Is that crazy, huh, Crystal? Look at that, man. Yeah, so we know that 800. Up here we got a resistance level 75.80. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, we can make a case to short at once it broke that 800, but knowing that we have to get out very quickly, to be honest. Yeah. So I learned the hard way. I usually like go in and short right away, but for the last few days I go, I better be more patient because I have to respect where the support and resistance levels are. I have to respect that. But if I'm wrong, I better get out with a few points wrong, and then 50 points wrong. So we have to respect the support and the resistance level. Yeah. So yeah, if I short once it break that 800, I better get out a 308 levels. This can take a 8-point hit on that. Okay, look like we want to test on that 800 again. Oh wow, man, good job. Good job, man. Yeah, right up there. Good job, man. Proud of you, man. I didn't see that. Sometimes it's too obvious, right? So here we go, 800 again. Just broke that 800 again. Hey man, it's about how you trade. It's got nothing to do with evals or anything like that. But that's awesome. In my book, man, that's awesome. That was a good trade. Doesn't matter eval or funded account. This is how you identify the trade, the setup. That's awesome. Good job, my friend. Yeah. You know what you're doing, my friend. Good job, man. Yeah, you see, it came down to the 800 levels, push it back up again. We have to respect the support and the resistance level. Yeah, to me, making money or not making money on the day-to-day, beside the point. The point is that how you trade, how you acquire the setup and things like that, and that's what counts, man. To be patient. Get the knowledge, see the setup. That's more important than making a couple bucks now, because you and I both know that we can do this the rest of our life, right? It's not by the time we at 55, 70 years old, we cannot do this anymore. Yeah, this is the time that we acquire all the knowledge and the setup, so we can continue to trade the rest of our life, I guess. Yeah, to be honest, man, in this business, we just cannot walk in saying that, give me my money now, or I spend 8 hours a day and expect to get some kind of money out of it. It's not that. This is completely different kind of business. It's completely different. So okay. Wow, almost 8 o'clock. You as well. You as well. No worry, Crystal, man. You'll be okay, my friend. You'll be okay. We going to be okay. We going to be okay, man. Came up here 70, 58. Push back down. So basically, we're in this price range right now, 70 and 90, 95. About 80 points. Testing that 70 again. Wow, came down 20 points. Yeah, very, very tight. Yeah, tell me about it. Yeah, I sit on my hands, man. Patient is key. Might want to come back down here and retest that 800 again. Yeah, very, very tight. Did not trade. I think after 8 o'clock it's going to be really active. I remember yesterday, right after 8, my time, in 6-7 minutes, really, really active. So I have to see. I'm not sure. I don't know. Right now, I'll sit on my hands, Crystal. No long, no short right now. I think we can see, look at the chart right here, Crystal. We're in the middle of that price range right now, 75 and 95. We're looking at what, 50 points price range, and we're in the middle of that. So basically, you can flip the, see, head or tail. Yeah, waiting for it to come to 800. We'll see. Up here, we see if we can go to 75.80. Gonna be down, okay. Here we go. Broke that 800. did not take that trade. I did not take that trade. I was going to take that trade, but I don't know why. $20, man. Yeah, I was going to take that trade and get out at 801. 01. Yeah, I did. I did not take that trade, man. What going on? To take the trade. In my head, I go, okay, if it come back to 805, 804, I get out. Manually take me out. Did not take that trade. Sometimes, man. But I learn from it, I guess. Learn from it, I guess. Man, would have caught like 25 points, 30 points, man. 40 points for that matter. That's fine. Yeah, learn from it. Learn from it. Because I was waiting. I was waiting for it to break that 800. Yeah. Yeah, it is what it is, man. Yeah, I was looking at this candle. This is a very, very horrible candles here. Look at this one. It might want to come back and be testing out 800 again. Good focus. Wow. Wow, day low is 4 something. Okay. You might want to come back and retest that 800 again. go charge my car. Be right back. Give me a second, you guys. Go out today. Let me go charge my car. I'm gonna go plug it in. Give me a second. Okay. Push through the 800 again. Waiting for it to come back to 70, 75. If we can take a little short, something like that. Let's see. Pretty strong. I hear you, Martin. Here we go. Yeah, it might want to push us to 75 or 80. Very, very strong market, that's for sure. We're almost at the top of the price range, 75.
Space style. Background music. Flowing piano over soft water trickling. Ambient text support a peaceful open space. No lyrics. Instrumental only.
Mental.
Piano. Melody slow. Light textures rise and fall gently.
Mental.
Occasional water drops. And gentle chimes.
Mental.
Soft final piano notes. Echo. Fading water.
Again, we're in the middle of this price range right now. Instrumental. I hear you, man. Be patient. 100, 800. I hear you, my friend. Be patient. Let it come to us. Let it come to us. Let it come to us. Yeah, we have to be patient, man. I mean, this is crazy, man. This is madness. I agree with you, but if that's the case, then we have to be super, super patient, man. I know it's very easy for me to say. I get carried away too, but I try. We have got to try. We want to be successful, I guess. Adapt and deal with what's in front of us. I try, man. Go! $100. That's quite a good setup. That's for sure. Easy money. You did? Good job, see? Be patient, man. Be patient, man. I know. Sometimes I got carried away too, but when you commit yourself, say, hey man, sit on your hands, not do anything, wait for it to come to us. Eventually it will come. Good job, man. Awesome, my friend. You'll be okay, for sure. You'll be okay, man. Yeah, good job, man. We are speaking the same with the same language, man. We're on the same page. Good job, my friend. Yeah, it was 15 points. I should change it to 20 points, huh? Yeah, it was 15 points very quickly. Yeah. Yeah, I got my, I don't know if you guys, see, I got my mouse pointed at AO7, AO8, risking like 10 points. I go, if it come back to this level, I better get myself out before I get into trouble. I point my mouse at that. You see that line, this white line is moving right now? I move my mouse, okay, if go back to this level, AO7, AO8, I better get out. So, risking what, the 10 points? So, risking 10 to make 15. But my hard stop was 20 points. I don't know, it testing that 50 again. This might break that 50 and never look back. That's what I'm afraid of. Before I go long, I have to see some green candles in that, but I don't see that right now. It's very risky, man. If it breaks that 50 and stay below that 50, it can go all the way down to like 50 points from here. So before I go long, I have to see some green candles or something like that. But right now I don't see anything. I don't know. It's very risky if we go long now. You may be right. It may bounce from here, but I don't want to take that risk, man. You can push 100 points from here, you know, go lower. I don't want to be in the middle of that. And if you want me to go short, I don't know about that. It might push back to 800 again, testing that 800 again. So, not sure about this right now. But if I go long or short right now, better get out right away if I'm wrong. Yeah, like I said, we can do long or short, but we have to plan it up front, saying, okay, at this level I have to get out, at that level I have to get out before it's run over you. Well, 60% of you added to the winner. That's what I thought. Added to your winner. Yeah, our resistance level right now, strong resistance level at 895, 800. So I'm watching for that and see how that hold up. If not, we can go short, man. 800, get out at 808, risking 8 points. Hopefully we can catch 60 points. Come back down here at 40 again. But I'm watching for that 80. I mean 800, 90, 800. See if we can go through or not. Hit that 93, push it back down. It came down 40 points. 40 points, man. Yep, we don't get out of the way. It run over us, man. Not too bad, man. Between 3 accounts, 650 bucks. Not too bad. Not much, but not too bad. Super grateful. Yeah, super grateful the way I handle all my trades today. Very disciplined. Yep, super grateful.
Rise gently, then softens. Signs glow with subtle overtones and breathe like talksters. Fades into silence with soft bell rings.
Yeah, look like we got some kind of support at 40. 740. See if we can break that 40. I'm out. Really slow. 20 bucks. Yeah, supposed to break it really hard. Right away. Did not. Oh, wow. Now it's breaking. Very, very risky to take that trade. Now is the time. You have this candle close. Here we go. Yeah, it was a little bit risky. Nah, very risky. I thought I got out. Yeah. Broke that 40. I think we can come back to 40 again. Yeah, would have been 20 points. $700. Believe it or not, thinking about doing long, but don't see that right now. Don't see that right now. Maybe 700 here. When it slow down like that, it might want to push it up. What the hell was that? Somebody hacking my computers. Give about 718 hole for a long 720. Look like a long, but we'll see. Give it another 30 seconds. Or not. Man, 700. No 700. Go! Go! Come on! One more push. Go! Go! Got it. Okay, I'm done. Hey, I'm done. That was a good long, for sure. I'm done. Go hiking today again, you guys. Me go hiking again. Man, after all this, me go enjoy the nature. Enjoy the nature. Yeah, today I go by myself. The wife easy. Go by myself for 4 or 5 hours. It's about time, Martin. Yeah, you the one who go. Why didn't you go long? Only short. Easy money. Yeah, easy money. No, you know what? To be honest with you guys, man, we have to understand where the, like I said, we have to respect where the support and resistance level, man. We have to respect that resistance support level, that for sure. And of course, we have to manage our risk too. Yeah, sometimes I get carried away, man. But good Friday, good week so far. Yeah, I think things will get better from here. Respect the support and resistance level. More than $800 today. Not a lot of money, but I'll take it, to be honest, man. It's about my emotions. It's about my manage risk and respect support and resistance level. That counts, man. Money will come, that for sure. I can double down, triple down, and all that. Money will come. I know that. That day will come. That $1,000 day will come. But pretty clean, Martin. Thank you so much for your support, you guys. I mean, thank you, Martin. You come every day, hang out with me. Thank you so much, Crystal. You as well. Thank you, everyone. I think I'm gonna take off and enjoy my hike. Yeah. Yeah. I appreciate you. Appreciate everyone, each and every one of you. Okay. We'll see you all. Good luck. Good luck if you're still trading. I'm done. Yeah. Okie dokie. You guys have a good weekend, okay? Appreciate you. We'll see you on Monday. Once again, thank you so much, you guys.